In this video, I take you through finishing up the rest of the exhaust. I get to fight it quite a bit, as you'll see. It's a pretty tight fit, and the mount that holds on the muffler to the transmission area, really the bell housing off the engine, is also pretty tight. But you'll see as the video continues on some of what it takes to just throw on a pre-made exhaust. Here you can see where the spring holds the two pipes together, the lower pipe to the header, and me struggling to get that spring on with the needle nose and the hook tool. The spring's really strong, so there you see it's attached. Here I get the mount that holds the muffler to that bell housing fixture off the engine. Remember, it's a transaxle, I misspoke earlier. And in order to get it on there, there's a stud that goes through the side, and you have to kind of put that in and then slide the muffler on. And then there's a heat shield here I had to remove and install several times to get everything kind of to fit right. But I obviously wanted to keep that heat shield for driving on the road. As you can see, these bolts go in. I had to elongate the holes so they would fit, but now they're in, so I got to just bolt it up, try and fit it again. I'm going to try leaving this stud in there because it was really tight between these two pipes. So, see how it goes. All right, I got it up in there. This is bolted in. I'll be able to get the nuts on. Got the mount there. O2 is going to be lengthened and put right here. O2's dangling over there. Still not sure what the heck this is. Some kind of a temp sensor, I'm guessing. That sensor ended up being for the catalytic converter, which I no longer have. There's a light on the dash that says exhaust temp, and it's just a warning back in the day to let you know if you were overheating the catalytic converter based off your fuel ratio and how the engine was running. Here I edited out a bunch of the busy work of me walking back and forth to the toolbox, trying to get things in order, mentally, forgetting stuff. You check something up on top of the car, then go down. The boring process of shop work. But yeah, you can even see right there, I look like I'm real thrilled. Now I just need to lengthen this end to go up to the front. Well, that about wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to extend that wire for the O2 sensor and do some other stuff, so stay tuned.